Hello and welcome back everyone to the Master Builder. My name's Jaden and today I'm going to be showing you how to build the three-wheeled Red Robin. This car actually has some backstory behind it, for it actually was a real car that was created in London in, I believe, the 1800s. However, they did have to discontinue the car because lots of people kept dying in car crashes because the car could not turn well. If you turned it, it would just fall over. So today, we're going to be building the exact same car with a little bit of tweaks. This is actually red, but I didn't have the red things. And we're going to be keeping the pieces inside the Lego tower. So, let's get building. Okay, so to start out building, we're gonna need to get the pieces out first. But we're gonna need the pieces that we're gonna be building with. And they're all stored in the Lego tower. The Lego tower, it holds all the pieces for the three-wheeled Red Robin. So, let's get all the pieces out. Whoops. That all? That seems to be all. Alright, let's just get all these pieces out. And let's see here. Alright, so now that we have all the pieces, we're just gonna go on and start building. Another thing I forgot to mention was you can either have a flat tile or you can have a flat tile with a sticker on it. Now, I'm gonna choose the license plate for it because the license plate, it just looks better. And with this, it just is kind of weird looking because it's just blank. But to each his own. I mean, I just forgot to mention that. Looking good. Now we just need to add the wheels. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit a like and make sure to subscribe and comment. I hope that you had fun building this, and I will be coming up with more things in the future. And remember, guys, always be creative. Happy building!